Hello friends, I'm your friend Tanja. Today I have a new coloring box. I'm so excited to open it. So let's color something together. Let me put this aside. Great. What shall we draw today? Okay, how about we draw a mermaid? Alright, let's see. I'll start with the tail. I want it to be blue, because blue is my most favorite color. Friends, what is your favorite color? Please write your comments down below. Oh, I'm starting to like it. It's coming together. Now the tail. Beautiful. Now I'll draw the skin. I'll use light pink for this part. Perfect. Look at this color. Isn't it beautiful? Now look into it. Perfect. Isn't it just adorable? I'm going to draw the next hand. And perfect. Now for the neck. There. Done. Isn't it beautiful? Draw it carefully. Do you know mermaids are magical creatures? I love drawing mermaids. Friends, what's your favorite magical creature? Please write your answers down in the comments below. Uh-oh, I want it to be indigo, so let's erase it just. Perfect. Now let's draw the face. Beautiful. Now we could draw the hair. Let's try it with the color blue. The blue is not so sharp, so we could sharpen it. Here's my sharpener. It has two of them. I'm going to use the small one. Sharpen it up. It works perfectly. Let me just put it aside. There you go. Alright, now let's keep drawing. Oh, it's starting to come together. I'm so excited to see the results. Aren't you excited? Alright. Here. A little bigger. Perfect. It's going to have curls. Beautiful. Friends, what's your favorite hairstyle? Please write in the comments. The mermaid has long hair, so I'm going to draw longer here. Perfect. Let's keep doing the same with the other hair. Doesn't look actually pretty. Now we could draw the mermaid's eye. Not sharp again. Oh, it's alright. Sometimes our color pencils can be sharp. They're perfectly sharp. There we go. Some beautiful eyes. Oh, it's so sweet. It's just like in a fairy tale. Do you know what this mermaid's name is? I'll tell you. Her name is Sophia. Oh, look at those cute eyes. Let me just color this hair. Beautiful. Now for the lovely smile. Oh my gosh, my pencils are not sharp. It's alright if your pencils are not sharp. Just sharpen them. It's not a problem. So now we can draw the mouth. Aw, it's so cute. There, perfect and cutie. Now we could draw the face. Oh, it's so perfect. I want to color. The clothes. Indigo! Because sometimes mermaid wear this. And I like it so much. Oh, I'm so happy with this. There, it's so perfection. Let me get a little squiggly in there. Perfection. Now I'm going to draw this part a little bit. What if we add a little bit of yellow here? It might look beautiful. Friends, you have to use your imaginations for drawing this because it's activity. Use your own imaginations to draw your favorite creatures. I'm so happy with this mermaid. Let's keep coloring it. There. A necklace will look great on here. What color can I use? I think pink would do. Pink is my favorite color. Friends, what's your favorite color? Please write your comments down below.
Is a mermaid who
I'll
wants
color
to
the
save her
mermaid's
sister. Show her.
tail light blue because it's so soft. It's coming all together. Let me make her tail a little bit longer. There, perfect. What can I give on the top? She's a princess. That means I'll just give her a crown. The crown looks amazing on her. There you go. And a red gemstone. Oopsie. There you go. The mermaid is so happy with this own beautiful crown. Look how she's smiling. Oh, I love it. I wonder what will we look like if we add some scales. Oh, it's coming beautiful. Let's keep adding them. And 2 more. A little bit, 2, 3. A little bit of here. There. It's so pretty. What shall I draw here? Oh, I have an idea. Do you remember this? Let's open it up and draw a galaxy with this. Look at the colors. I'm going to put you aside. And now let's draw with you. Let me put this here. Put these away a little bit. And let's put you here. And let's draw a galaxy. What color can we use first? Maybe this purple. Look at how it's bright together. I should really do this more often. Don't you think? Perfect. I wonder, what if I use a little bit of blue? Oh, it's so cute. Like the mermaid. It's not. Isn't it so cute? I'll use maybe this indigo. This is so pretty. Use it carefully because the edge is open. Oh, how I love coloring. Friends, do you like coloring? Write your answers in the comment below. Wonder, which color can I use next? Indigo? Maybe I could use pink. It's worth a try. Oh, it's so pretty. It's starting to come out together. Next time I'm going to use purple. So adorable. Next, a little indigo to make it look sparkly. Oh, Mermaid's so happy in her galaxy kingdom. How I love mermaids. Don't you? Oh dear, I got a little bit of drawing in my hand, but it's okay. Isn't it crayons? So it's easy to get colors in your hands. Time to draw seaweeds. And there's an easy way to draw seaweeds. Just gather up all the colors like this. And check if they're in the same. There you go. And now for the amazing part, draw. See? It's working. Just be imaginative. And then you'll see the drawings. Oh, aren't these just cutest? Now I'll use 2 more colors, pink and purple. Time to draw. Oh, look, it's coming together. Oh, isn't it so pretty? So, this is the end of my video. If you like more of my videos, all you have to do is subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. And give a thumbs up if you like it. So, that's all for today. Bye-bye.